friends, here's a story about friendship. It's called That's What a Friend Is. A friend is a listener who'll always be there. When you got a big secret, you just have to share it. A friend is a sidekick who'll sit by your side to make you feel better when you're troubled inside. When there's nothing to do on a wet, rainy day, a friend is a pal who'll come over to play. Friends are just perfect for all kinds of things, like walking or talking or swinging on a swing. And for watching TV, a friend is the best for sharing cartoons with and booing the rest. And then late at night, a friend is just right for telling ghost stories when you turn off the lights. Looks a little scary. Yes, a friend is the best one to hop, skip, or run with, for playing some catch with, or just having fun with. You can sing and shout till your tonsils wear out. Tonsils are back in your throat. Because that's what having a friend is all about. A friend is a buddy who'll come to your aid when he thinks you need help or you just might be afraid. A friend is a partner who stand back to back to protect you from bullies or a monster attack. With a friend, you can do what you most like to do. Just swim. My page is stuck, friends. You can have your own hideouts in dark, secret places. But be safe if you have a hideout. Or spend the whole day having caterpillar races. Or just drawing pictures for each other's faces. You can laugh. Look at that silly face. You can cry. You can watch cars go by. You can have a great time and not even try. A person is a person who likes to be there because you two make a perfect pair. And when all said and done, the natural end is a friend is a friend. That's what a friend is. Friends are the best. Bye, friends.